One of the biggest questions I get asked when building an email list is, what is the best tool, the easiest tool to use? Now, if you are building a list, you are going to need to build a landing page, which is a page that you're going to send people to that will capture their email address. And then from there, you're going to need to send them emails once you have their email address, right? Well, the one tool that I am using right now, and I have for the last 2.5 years, and I've tried them all, by the way, is ConvertKit. Now, I'm not a spokesperson. I'm not even on their payroll, but I do use ConvertKit. And the reason why is because they do make it super easy to set up a landing page and basically get emails collected. That's what we're trying to do when we're building a list. So make it easy. If it's ConvertKit, great, but use a tool that is going to take the tech and the struggle of setting things up out of the equation and get started building that list. If you want help building your list, I have a 100-page guide inside of my email list building playbook. 100 pages. It'll walk you through exactly how to build your list and also how to follow up with your new subscribers. Go check it out. I think it'll help you.